clutter taking over your space. These Amazon finds will fix that fast. Smart organizers, space-saving hacks, and total game changers for your home. And wait till you see number 10, it's seriously next level. Links in description. Let's jump in. Number 1, the ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins, a must-have for anyone who wants a clean, clutter-free home. These crystal clear bins let you instantly see what's inside, saving you time and effort every day. Perfect for pantry, fridge, closet, or shelves, they help you maximize space, stay organized, and keep everything within easy reach. Durable, versatile, and super practical, it's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Number 2, the Homemade Mop and Broom Holder, a simple but powerful way to keep your cleaning tools organized and off the floor. It securely holds mops, brooms, and more, freeing up space and giving your home a clean, tidy look. Easy to install and super sturdy, it helps you stay organized, save space, and keep everything right where you need it. A small upgrade that makes a big impact. All products links are in description. Number 3, the Leverlock Shower Caddy, a smart way to keep your bathroom organized without drilling any holes. It uses a strong suction system to stay securely in place, making installation quick and hassle-free. Perfect for holding shampoo, soap, and other essentials, it keeps everything within easy reach while reducing clutter. It saves space, keeps your shower neat, and adds a clean, modern look to your bathroom. Number 4, the Ucopia Upspace Adjustable Box Organizer, a smart solution for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and clutter-free. Its adjustable design lets you customize the space to fit boxes, wraps, and kitchen essentials perfectly. It helps you maximize cabinet space, keeps everything easy to grab, and eliminates messy stacking. A simple upgrade that makes your kitchen more organized and efficient. Number 5, the Cryusia 3-Pack Sock Underwear Organizer, a simple way to keep your drawers perfectly organized. With multiple compartments, it neatly separates socks, underwear, and small items so everything stays in place. It helps you save time getting ready, reduces clutter, and makes your drawers look clean and tidy. A small change that brings big organization to your daily routine. All products links are in description. Number 6, the Ucopia Storalid Food Container Lid Organizer, a game changer for messy kitchen cabinets. It neatly holds and separates container lids, so you can find the right one in seconds. No more digging through piles or dealing with mismatched lids. It saves time, maximizes space, and keeps your kitchen looking clean and organized. A must-have for stress-free storage. Number 7, the Topmart 4-Pack Bathroom Storage Organizer, an easy way to keep your bathroom neat and organized. Clear bins help you quickly find your essentials, save space, and reduce clutter. Number 8, the Topmart 72-Piece Clear Plastic Drawer Organizers, a complete solution for messy drawers. With a variety of sizes, you can easily organize makeup, office supplies, kitchen tools, and more. The clear design lets you quickly see and find what you need without wasting time. It helps maximize drawer space, keeps everything in place, and gives your home a clean, organized look. Number 9, the TUIU Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful tool that makes cleaning faster and easier. With its high-speed rotating head, it tackles tough dirt, grime, and stains without the need for heavy scrubbing. Perfect for bathrooms, tiles, tubs, and more, it saves time, reduces effort, and gives you a deep clean with less work. A great upgrade for stress-free cleaning. Number 10, the simple trending 2-tier metal monitor stand, a must-have for a clean and productive workspace. It raises your monitor to a comfortable viewing height, helping reduce neck and eye strain during long hours. The 2-tier design gives you extra storage for office supplies, keeping your desk organized and clutter-free. It saves space, improves posture, and instantly upgrades your setup with a sleek, modern look. Number 11, the Iris Plastic Drawer Storage, a simple and reliable way to organize any space in your home. It's perfect for clothes, accessories, office supplies, or everyday items, keeping everything neat and easy to access. The lightweight yet durable design makes it easy to move and place anywhere. It helps reduce clutter, save space, and keep your home looking clean and organized. Number 12, the Visegal Laundry Hamper, a stylish and practical way to keep your laundry organized. It helps you sort clothes easily while keeping dirty laundry out of sight. The sturdy design and spacious compartments make laundry day simpler and more efficient. It saves space, reduces clutter, and adds a clean, modern touch to your room. Number 13, the Iris USA 4-shelf storage shelves, a simple way to add extra storage anywhere you need it. With 4 spacious tiers, it's perfect for organizing bins, tools, pantry items, or household essentials. The lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to set up and move around. It helps maximize vertical space, reduce clutter, and keep everything neatly organized. Number 14, the Lazy Susan 2-tier organizer, a smart and efficient way to upgrade your storage. The smooth rotating design lets you access everything with a simple spin, so you never have to reach into the back of cabinets again. With 2 tiers, it gives you extra space to neatly store spices, condiments, or everyday essentials. It helps maximize cabinet space, keeps everything visible, and makes your kitchen feel more organized and easy to use. Number 15, the SNSL XH 5-pack stackable closet storage baskets, a smart way to organize your closet and maximize space. The stackable design lets you create extra storage vertically, making it perfect for clothes, accessories, or daily essentials. Easy to assemble and use, these baskets keep everything visible and within reach. They help reduce clutter, save space, and give your closet a clean, organized look. Number 16, the Mind Reader Cup and Condiment Station, a smart and stylish way to organize your coffee or beverage area. It features multiple compartments to neatly store cups, lids, sugar packets, stirrers, and other essentials all in one place. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or break rooms, it keeps everything easy to access and eliminates messy countertops. It helps save space, reduce clutter, and creates a clean, professional setup that looks both organized and inviting. Number 17, the Cook with Color Nesting Bowls with Measuring Cups, a smart addition to any kitchen. These bowls stack neatly to save space and come with matching measuring cups for added convenience. Perfect for mixing, prepping, and serving, they make cooking faster and more organized. They help reduce clutter, save cabinet space, and add a clean, colorful touch to your kitchen. Number 18, the Melutsity Makeup Organizer, a simple way to keep your vanity clean and organized. It neatly stores makeup, skincare, and daily essentials so everything is easy to see and grab. The compact design saves space while reducing clutter and keeping your setup looking neat and put together. Number 19, the Home for Each Baby Diaper Organizer, a convenient way to keep all your baby essentials in one place. It offers multiple compartments to neatly store diapers, wipes, bottles, and more, making everything easy to grab when you need it. Perfect for home or on-the-go use, it helps you stay organized, save time, and keep your space clean and clutter-free. Number 20, the Phomemo Label Maker Machine, a simple way to create clear, custom labels so everything stays organized and easy to find. It saves time, reduces clutter, and keeps your space looking clean and well organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart Amazon finds. Links are in the description.